Within each of our cells, there exist tiny bean-shaped structures called mitochondria. Don't let their size fool you. These are the powerhouses of our cells, the tireless energy factories that keep us alive and functioning. Like miniature power plants, mitochondria generate the energy currency of our cells, known as ATP or adenosine triphosphate. This molecule is essential for a vast array of cellular processes, from muscle contraction and nerve impulse transmission to building new molecules and regulating temperature. Without mitochondria, our cells would cease to function, and life as we know it would be impossible. Mitochondria are unlike any other structure within our cells. They possess their own DNA, separate from the DNA found in the cell's nucleus. This unique feature allows mitochondria to replicate independently and produce some of their proteins. This quirk of evolutionary history has led scientists to believe that mitochondria were once free-living bacteria, engulfed by our ancient ancestors in a symbiotic pact that has endured for billions of years. This ancient partnership is the foundation of our existence, providing the energy that fuels the symphony of life. The process by which mitochondria generate energy is called cellular respiration. It's a complex process with multiple stages, each carefully orchestrated to extract energy from the food we eat. Imagine a well-coordinated assembly line where each station performs a specific task to build a finished product. That's cellular respiration in a nutshell. The process begins with glycolysis, where glucose, a simple sugar obtained from carbohydrates, is broken down into smaller molecules called pyruvate. This initial step takes place outside the mitochondria in the cell's cytoplasm. Pyruvate then enters the mitochondria, where the real energy production begins. Inside the mitochondria, pyruvate is further broken down in the Krebs cycle, also known as the citric acid cycle. This cycle generates some ATP directly, but more importantly, releases high-energy electrons. These electrons are then shuttled to the electron transport chain, the final stage of cellular respiration. The electron transport chain is like a series of pumps embedded within the mitochondrial membrane. As electrons are passed from one pump to the next, they release energy, which is used to pump protons, positively charged hydrogen ions, across the membrane. This creates an electrochemical gradient, like a dam holding back water. The protons then flow back across the membrane through a special enzyme called ATP synthase, which acts like a turbine, using the energy from the proton flow to generate ATP. This final step is where the bulk of ATP is produced, providing the energy our cells need to function. While glucose is a primary fuel source, our bodies can also utilize fat for energy, especially during periods of fasting or prolonged exercise. This process, known as fatty acid oxidation or beta oxidation, occurs primarily within mitochondria. Imagine long chains of fatty acids, like beads on a string, being systematically broken down, 2 beads at a time. Each bead is a 2-carbon unit called acetyl-CoA, which enters the Krebs cycle, feeding the energy-producing machinery. This process highlights the versatility of mitochondria, able to utilize various fuel sources to meet the body's energy demands. Fatty acid oxidation is essential for maintaining energy balance, especially during periods of caloric restriction. When we consume fewer calories than we expend, our bodies turn to stored fat reserves for fuel. This process, fueled by mitochondria, allows us to survive periods of food scarcity and maintain a healthy body weight. Amino acids are best known as the building blocks of proteins, the workhorses of our cells. But did you know that mitochondria can also utilize certain amino acids for energy production? When glucose and fatty acids are in short supply, our bodies can break down proteins into their constituent amino acids. Some of these amino acids can be converted into pyruvate or intermediates of the Krebs cycle, feeding directly into cellular respiration. This process, although not as efficient as glucose or fatty acid oxidation, highlights the resourcefulness of our cells and their ability to adapt to varying metabolic demands. This metabolic flexibility underscores the importance of a balanced diet. Consuming adequate protein ensures we have the building blocks for growth and repair while providing a backup energy source when needed. Section 5. The breath of life, heme synthesis. Mitochondria are not only involved in energy production but also play a vital role in synthesizing essential molecules such as heme. Heme is a complex molecule containing iron, best known for its role in hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. The synthesis of heme is a multi-step process, with several steps occurring within mitochondria. This process involves a series of enzymatic reactions, carefully orchestrated to assemble this crucial molecule. Without heme, our cells would be starved for oxygen, unable to carry out essential functions. Mitochondrial dysfunction can disrupt heme synthesis, leading to various anemias and other health problems. Section 6. Cellular guardians, mitochondria and apoptosis. Mitochondria are not just powerhouses, they are also guardians of cellular integrity. They play a crucial role in apoptosis, a process of programmed cell death that eliminates damaged or unwanted cells. Think of it as a controlled demolition, preventing the release of harmful substances that could damage neighboring cells. When a cell is damaged beyond repair, mitochondria release specific signaling molecules such as cytochrome C into the cytoplasm. These molecules activate a cascade of events leading to the activation of enzymes called caspases, the executioners of apoptosis. Caspases break down cellular components in an orderly manner, leading to the dismantling and removal of the dying cell. Apoptosis is essential for maintaining tissue homeostasis, ensuring that old, damaged, or potentially cancerous cells are eliminated, preventing harm to the organism. Dysfunctional mitochondria can disrupt this delicate balance, leading to the accumulation of damaged cells, contributing to aging and various diseases, including cancer. Section 7. Double-edged sword reactive oxygen species. Mitochondria, while essential for life, are also a source of reactive oxygen species, or ROS, highly reactive molecules that can damage cellular components. These molecules are a natural byproduct of cellular respiration, like sparks flying off a grinding wheel. ROS can damage DNA, proteins, and lipids, contributing to aging and various diseases, including cancer, heart disease, and neurodegenerative disorders. However, ROS are not all bad. They also act as signaling molecules, regulating various cellular processes, including cell growth, differentiation, and immune responses. Maintaining a balance between ROS production and elimination is crucial for cellular health. Our cells have evolved sophisticated antioxidant defense systems to neutralize excess ROS and protect against their damaging effects. Section 8. Calcium control, maintaining the balance. Calcium is a versatile signaling molecule that plays a crucial role in various cellular processes, including muscle contraction, nerve impulse transmission, and enzyme regulation. Mitochondria play a vital role in regulating calcium levels within the cell, acting as calcium buffers. They can rapidly take up calcium from the cytoplasm when its concentration rises, preventing calcium overload, which can be detrimental to the cell. Mitochondria can also release calcium back into the cytoplasm when needed, ensuring that calcium-dependent processes can occur smoothly. This delicate balance of calcium uptake and release is crucial for maintaining cellular function. Dysfunctional mitochondria can disrupt calcium homeostasis, contributing to various diseases including neurodegenerative disorders, heart disease, and muscle weakness. Section 9. Organized chaos compartmentalization in action. Mitochondria are highly organized structures with distinct compartments, each specialized for specific functions. This compartmentalization allows for efficient regulation and coordination of various metabolic processes. Think of it like a well-organized factory with different departments responsible for specific tasks. The outer mitochondrial membrane acts as a barrier, separating the mitochondria from the cytoplasm. The inner mitochondrial membrane, folded into numerous cristae, houses the protein complexes of the electron transport chain, the final stage of cellular respiration. The space between the outer and inner membranes, called the intermembrane space, plays a crucial role in ATP synthesis. The innermost compartment, the mitochondrial matrix, is where the Krebs cycle and fatty acid oxidation occur. This compartmentalization allows for the efficient regulation of metabolic pathways, ensuring that the right molecules are in the right place at the right time. It also helps to prevent unwanted side reactions and maintain a stable environment for essential processes. Section 10. When powerhouses falter, mitochondrial dysfunction. Mitochondrial dysfunction, a state of impaired mitochondrial function, is increasingly recognized as a contributing factor to a wide range of diseases. When these cellular powerhouses falter, the consequences can be severe, affecting various tissues and organs. Mitochondrial dysfunction can result from mutations in mitochondrial DNA, inherited or acquired over a lifetime. Environmental factors such as exposure to toxins, radiation, and certain medications can also damage mitochondria. Lifestyle factors such as poor diet, lack of exercise, and chronic stress can also contribute to mitochondrial dysfunction. The symptoms of mitochondrial diseases can vary widely depending on the severity of the dysfunction and the tissues affected. Common symptoms include muscle weakness, fatigue, exercise intolerance, seizures, vision and hearing problems, and developmental delays. Section 11. Guardians of Life's Spark, the Vital Importance of Mitochondria. Mitochondria, the unsung heroes of our cells, are far more than just energy generators. They are intricate and dynamic organelles essential for a myriad of cellular processes that are fundamental to life. From energy production and biosynthesis to calcium regulation and apoptosis, mitochondria play a pivotal role in maintaining cellular homeostasis and ensuring our survival. Understanding the complexities of mitochondrial function is crucial for developing effective treatments for a wide range of diseases. By unraveling the secrets of these tiny powerhouses, we can gain insights into the fundamental processes of life and develop strategies to protect and enhance mitochondrial health, paving the way for a healthier future. As we delve deeper into the intricate world of mitochondria, we gain a profound appreciation for the elegance and efficiency of these remarkable organelles. They are a testament to the power of evolution, a symphony of molecular interactions that sustains the delicate balance of life.